Alright boys, it's me, Inferno. I am here with Clucka again, like I was in the previous video doing Arena. We're going to be doing a 3-man Insane Vulcan run. So I hope you guys are ready. This is going to be just a basic guide. I'm not going to really be explaining things, I'm just going to be showing you, and hopefully you guys are just going to be understanding. And I'll explain some things, I just want to explain them in super depth, you know? So... you ready, Clucka? You ready for board?
Let's do this.
You ready for board to hard carry us? Board. You're in vid. Hee. Look, you actually were able to shoot it this time. I'm proud
That
of
took
you.
like 5 shots somehow.
And you were super close to it too.
Let's not talk about it.
That was a 500 damage pillar, dude. Oh, it's actually only 491 now. Nope, 525.
Trash.
525. Absolute unit. I could DPS with my wand. That's obviously...
Oh, I don't have to shadow click to the edge.
yeah, that makes this easier on you.
Oh yeah, big time.
Cue Jesse theme. And this means I have a chance to not have all of the things on me. The imprisonments. Are you gonna change his color, or are you just gonna accept that? He's like purple.
He's purple?
Yes.
Why?
I don't know. Yeah, our DPS, the 2 wands and red buff, is almost not even fair. Oh my goodness. Okay, so basically as a mob, my role here is to just kill the blazes and kill minions. I don't really have to kill minions, it's kind of just a side job. But... and then once you get imprised, you'll just either use axe to parry, or you'll just use a dagger to cloak. It doesn't matter. You can even dodge like that, which works perfectly as well. But it's preference. It's whatever you feel like doing. Whatever you feel is easiest for you as the player. Tell me how the archer is literally dead. I killed it. My pillar to hit it for so much, it killed it through a heal. Yeah, you might want to change his color. I couldn't do it. I failed. Not this again. Not this again.
I decapped him, it didn't do anything. I missed decap.
For fuck's sake. Oh! Oh, yes, sir. I'm back in for the bug. Bug for the win. Bug for the win.
Did he use a reset the resurrection scroll?
No, it's a bug. As you can see, I didn't get pulled in. Did you notice that?
I did.
I'm just chilling out
I
here.
thought you had died.
I did die. Oh, that means I can't take the red buff anymore. I can't interact with anything.
Yeah. No, I still have to click to the edge.
I think this will kill me, so I gotta play my cards right. What color is it? What color is it? It doesn't tell me. It doesn't tell me, bro. That's so scary. It's on me again! What is... what? What the fuck? Oh my goodness. I got lagged back in just to die again. That's great. Well, I'm a spectator for this Vulcan run now. I'm sorry to disappoint. But sometimes it happens, you know? And if Clucka dies, then we're gonna have to do it again. Because Clucka is bad.
Shh.
Just kidding.
There's the dead guy.
Hey, man. Says the one who's about to die.
Never. I've never died in my life.
That's a lie. Like, you're almost dead again. How can you be so bad?
Imagine not even being alive. It's insane one.
Clucka. Listen. I'm in warlord power. Vulcan was hitting for like 8 hearts. No joke. Loki hitting for 8 hearts.
Jesus, this does a lot of damage.
Why do you needle spam? You know the best way to do this boss is to just cloak dash spam, right? Because it halvens your cooldown and it also resets his ag if you wait long enough. Oh, it switched ag, it switched ag, it switched ag. It's on bird, I think.
Fuck.
No, it's on you. You guys should be fine as long as he doesn't force you
Tell him
into
that
the
I
fight.
said. Say that I said fuck.
Yeah, let's hope. Let's hope Bird's wand can out DPS the. Nope, he switched to blazes.
Alright, I'm at a regen now.
You got a fireball on you?
Yeah, I know, I was in cooldown.
Right now, you're basically just having to food chug.
And I've got 4 soups left. And 4k health. Let's do this.
Yeah, this is doable. Definitely. This is not a dead run. I don't know what Bird is doing. Bird's being weird right now.
Weirdo. Does get like 250,000 PBE rating a day. No, not a day. A week.
He's not doing bad. He's just playing weird. Like the way he did those blazes was odd. Okay, well now that he's supporting you on the boss, it should die pretty quickly. Unless you die.
Never.
I mean, even him alone.
Soup.
Nah, you guys got this. Bird tanked it like a god.
Gosh damn it. I wanted to switch. Well, that was a very, very scuffed Volk.
That was a very scuffed Volk. I got to fight 2 times.
You did. I think he's eels.
Yep.
What attachment is that?
This, it's a Frost 2 3.5.
Ah.
It's bad. Well, that was basically Volk. Sorry that I died like a bad trash can, but thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you in the next one. Stay on fire, ladies and gentlemen, and like I said, I will see you in the next one.